Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It's been a moment since I posted videos, but I'm trying to resume. Today we're taking a closer look at the Canik Rival SFx Rival Steel pistol. This is a competition-oriented handgun that has been generating a lot of buzz last year and lately. So I was excited to get my hands on one of them so we can do a quick review, an overview of it, the features, and tell you what I think about the pistol. Let's get going. Before we continue, it's unloaded, it's clear. But right off the bat, you can tell this is a serious pistol. It's a lot more heavy compared to all the other pistol in the series. For example, right here we have a Canik SFx Rival, just the polymer version. I believe the steel version is about a pound heavier. Feels very good, feels very serious. You can definitely feel the weight. Steel frame gives it a nice heft, which helps with recoil management. Canik is known for their good ergonomics and the amazing trigger right off the box. Rival Steel definitely feels good into the hand. The serrations are well pronounced, very well cut, very deep when it needs to be, and then very shallow where it doesn't need to be deep. You got your slide serration, your slide cutout. The new grip design feels very good in your hand. I believe it's just replaceable plates or grip plates, just as the typical polymer pistols do usually. Of course, the SFx Rival Steel is red dots ready, so it comes with mounting red dots cut out. Favorite red dots.
Okay, before we talk about the biggest advantage of the Steel Rival-S SFx, let's talk about the feature real quick again. Overall, magazine well, which is flared, help you with your faster reload. Sights, fiber optics, similar on both than the Rival SFx and the Rival Steel frame. In this case, you have the red dot mounting system, which allow you to have red dots. The trigger is the same and shoots flat, very accurate trigger, but the biggest feature is the weight. They both have a pound of difference in weight. The Rival is still weighing about 2 pound and the Rival SFx are 1.13. This is all great, but how does it shoot? So I had the opportunity to take it to the range a couple of times, about 100-125 rounds, so not enough to be an expert on this particular pistol, but just a little bit to have a couple of experience and difference. So I shot it against the Rival SFx, not the steel version, and they're very similar. I don't think this is actually a fair comparison because my buddies who owns both pistols had made some modification to the Rival SFx, the non-steel version, but the steel shows a little bit of edge up because the weight allows it to be more balanced and returning to target more precisely. So it shoots very well, as you can expect from the very great Canik trigger. The weight makes it a little bit of a bonus. I think ideally the best comparison would have been to come from a regular Canik SFx without any modification to the Rival Steel SFx. I think where someone will see a bigger improvement when compared to those two. But great pistol, shot very well, consistent, as you can see, tight grouping, return on target, pretty much what you expected. In conclusion, is the Canik Rival Steel a great value? Yes, it is. from the experience, the way Canik packaged the gun, all the goodies they give you with the pistol, which I didn't go over in this video because there are other videos right here around the Canik. You can even search my channels, but you have everything for the price. I think this was around 1,000 or 900-ish. I mentioned 800 before. For the price, you get a great pistol, ready for competition, ready for everything. Maybe not the easiest to conceal, but this is a great value for the money. So must buy, and I can't say anything wrong about this pistol. So thanks for watching my channel. Please remember to subscribe, share the video, post a comment. Let me know if you have a Canik SFS, what you've done to it, if you have the steel version, and what you don't like about it. I'll try to get the gun back at some other time and put more rounds to it, and we can follow up in about 500 or 1,000 rounds once the owner has broken in more. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.